Hello, today we're talking about how to use TPC software. This software is working with ZM605 and ZM615 TPC program. So you can see this screen, this software, the screen of software has few sections. The first section is the menu section. You have file, database, report, configuration, and the language. Under that, they have office section and also scale section. Scale section at the top is the connection and IP address of status of communication. On the right side is the weight of the scale. In the main portion of screen is the database, the tickets database, which you receive from the scale. You see the tickets is every time transaction created in the scale side, you will transfer to the computer automatically. Also, it has incomplete, or you can call loop database, and also other is called local database. When truck on the scale, if they punch your ID, you will create a transaction, also create a log file. So this log file, this tickets only show 100 tickets which you received recently. If you need to show more tickets, you have to go to the file, tickets, list to show all the tickets. The other section is office section. So office section, you can go at the tickets, export tickets to the CSV file or reprint the tickets. Even you can create manual tickets. If you have gate in your truck scale, you can open or close gate manually by press button. Let's talk about the first point, manual system first. So the first tickets, you have list, add, export, print, void, and read all. List tickets is to show the tickets based on the filter. You can search by tickets ID, or you can search by all kind of filter. Yeah. So the other important thing is tickets resource. Because this could be scale, from the scale, or the tickets could be created by an office. So they have two resources. One we call PC1. This ID is created in office. We call PC1. Or you can choose SC01. That is scale tickets. Now these two ID could be changed in the setting. So for example, right now I want to show all the tickets. I want to show truck. So this, the name or the field, the name of the database, or you want to disable or enable database, it could be done in the configuration. So right now I choose truck ID 1500, press font. You will show 100 all the tickets which truck ID is equal 1500, and in last 1000 or 10,000 tickets. Or you can add more. You said I want to show material 1, then only show material 1 and truck ID 1500. Also, you will show the total 4 tickets, and total weight, net weight. Also, the other few options, you could, based on list, you can add 1 ticket. For example, if you said, oh, I want to change something on these tickets, you can choose tickets, press edit, then you can change whatever you need. For example, you can change truck ID, or you can change material, even the weight or time date. Same thing, you can void export all the tickets, showing tickets, press export, then create CSV file in the folder, for example. Yeah. Also, you can go to tickets, void 1 tickets, print 1 tickets, and you read all transaction in the memory once. Log file, it will same as tickets. You will show log file database, and also you can apply the filters. For example, you said, oh, I want to only show 1500 truck ID, then we'll show. Also, if you press export, you will create export CSV file. Maintenance, this mostly is for initial settings, not for user, for the operation. Database. Right now we only have 2 databases. It's truck database and material database. You can have up to 4 databases, and each database name you could change. Right now I call this is French name, but you could change to English name, whatever you need. For example, this is to show all the truck in the system. Then you can add or edit this truck. You can export all the truck to CSV file, or you can import this truck from the CSV file and save to the PC. Write one means you send selected. You see this, I select 1505, press write 2, write 1. This means you will write this record to the indicated direct. For example, write all. Then you can delete all. If you say I don't need this anymore, you can delete 1 from indicator and local database. Read all means you will read all the truck information from the indicator. Write all means you write all the database from computer to indicator. Yeah, currently there's lots of few hundred, so if I read all or write all, it will take a long time. So, but I can show you in material database. Next, we're talking about how to add or edit tickets, truck. So, for example, this is the ID. I choose, I select, press. If you want to change something over here, say I want to add name to this ID, then press save. You will save to database locally, also to write this rec to the indicator. The very important thing in here is truck type. There are 4 options. One is called in and out. In and out means the truck need way in and way out, need 2 movement. Store tail means the truck has store tail. You only need to weigh once. When truck on the scale, you will recall the stored tier and feed the transaction. Bypass means the truck doesn't need transaction. You just bypass the scale. Also, it will create the log file. So who just passed the scale, you will save in log file, not transaction. So this is very important. You understand each type of truck. So for example, this one, I said we just add a name, then you can press save. You will save to the database. Also, your transfer will transfer to the indicator. You say, right, successfully done. The other important thing, other section we talk about is how to add a new truck. For example, I have new truck. For example, is ID 9999. So after you enter your ID, you must press add or edit button. ID not found. Add new. If you say this is new ID, yes. Then you enter all the information. Like for example, the truck test. For example, I use every truck. There's no FID, but they use in and out. Then you are out. Then you can save it. If you don't have the default value means if you have default value, for example, is one truck, try to fit the transaction. First, you will check this truck doesn't have some default value. If you said, oh, I had default value already, then you would ask truck driver to enter this material. So if I put 1, you will only ask, you wouldn't ask to enter the material. But if I leave this material as 0, then the truck driver need to enter this information. For example, if this is done, press save. So you will save to local and also transfer the indicator. Done. So be careful of this. Every time when you change ID, you need to press add or edit button. This is important. Don't forget. Also, you can delete this from local PC and scale indicator. Material database, same as the truck ID, a truck database. I can show you how to write. Or yes, you will write to indicate one by one. That. Or you can read from indicator. Yes, you will read. Oh my goodness, there are 200. Oh, too many. Okay, cancel it. Just cancel it. Too many. So same thing. If you want to change something, select it, press edit, or you can change here. Like for example, I did change 1, 2, or you can change something 99. Press yes. Test 1. Then press save. Yes. It will transfer to the indicated right away. We just talk about material. Then we talk about a report. So report has a few could be truck, material, and tickets. For the truck and material is simple. you will first, you will ask you, because current report only show the data in the computer. It's not the data in the indicator. So this is different. If you want update, because in the indicator, the truck driver may update their tail weight. So if you want to do have updated tail weight from the scale, you need go to database, truck, and read all first. So this will show all the truck. This screen is too big. I just make small. Okay, report like this. They have 6 pages. First page, you can see it, truck ID, RFID, name, tail weight, and type. Also, for the material, same thing. You will show all the material. For the tickets, it's a little bit more complicated. So first, you need to set up a filter first. You said, I want to show which day the tickets. For example, we have 4. Not many, 4, only 1 tickets. Maybe we can go 2 and show the tickets. That's for that day. Don't have tickets? Yeah, we have. Okay, yeah. So we have tickets. You can see there's only not many tickets. You will get it a little bigger. See, there's all the tickets in created by PC. So scale. Not many tickets. So apply the filter and press report. You will show the tickets in by either you can group by tickets, you can group by truck or material. This tickets by tickets, you will show the tickets. Or you can group by report. So each one, so this is truck, you see, this group by the truck. This is truck I1. Second page is truck 1500. This is truck 2. Also, you can group by material as well. You see, this is by material 1, group by this material 2. Each page has own separate by material. This is report, and also configuration, system, scale. This 2 portion only for initial setting, and also only for every electronic technician. Print. You need to enter the password. So if the default path should be 1. Oh, it's not 1. I changed already. So I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Really. Okay. The default password is one, but I changed that. So this is the what you call the tickets configuration. You can add more when you print the tickets from the computer. You can add the header 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, you can add footer. If you want to print the header, you want to print the footer, or how many copy tickets you want. This is configuration could be done by operator or user. The next section is the password. So you see right now the password is 1111. You can enter this password and then change password you like to. Section language. So this software is support English and French. If you choose you prefer language, then close program, restart program. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you for your watching.